Hello students, welcome back to my class. In today's class, we are going to discuss tenses. What is tense and how many types are there? Tenses are how many? Tense forms are how many are there? So all these things we are going to discuss in today's video. So tense, this is the most important part of grammar. This is the foundation of your spoken English. This is the foundation of your English grammar. If you are good at tenses, you can be good at spoken English. Okay, if the foundation is strong, the building will be strong. So if the foundation is strong, the building will be strong. Similarly, if you are good at tenses, you can be good at English speaking also. So please acquire good command over the topic tenses. Okay, don't feel tense about tense. This is very simple, very easy. Let's make it simpler. Okay, now come to the point. The word tense is derived from a Latin word tensum. The meaning is time. Tensum means time. So tense means nothing but time only, but not this wristwatch time. Little bit change is there, variation is there. How can we define the word tense here? Tense means a change in a verb. Tense is a change in a verb which talks about the time of action, whether it took place in the past, whether it is going on now, whether it will take place in future. So all these things it will discuss. So it's a change in a verb. That change in a verb is called tense. Any language, you take any language, tenses are three only. What are they? Present tense, past tense, future tense. How many are there? Only three tenses. Tense has three forms. Tense has three forms. Three tenses are there. Major tenses are three only. But here, another important thing is, each tense has four forms. Each tense has four forms. Present tense has four forms. Past tense has four forms. Future has four forms. So tenses are three, but tense forms are 4 plus 4 plus 4, 12. Tenses are three only, but tense forms are 12. Each tense has 4 subforms. Okay, present tense has 4 children, past tense has 4 children, future has 4 children. Okay, so tense forms are 12. Tenses are 3, tense forms are 12. So how to derive these 12 forms? How to derive these 12 forms? Now we shall discuss now. So in order to obtain the 12 tense forms, so I will give you a simple technique. Each tense has how many forms? 4 forms. So draw 4 blocks like this. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes you draw. 4 blocks you draw like this. Okay, 4 forms, 4 blocks, 4 boxes otherwise. Okay, so in the first one you write simple. What you write here? I write simple here. In the first one I write simple. Okay, so in the second box I write continuous. Okay, right? In the third one I write perfect. In the last one, in the fourth one I write perfect continuous. Come back. Perfect first. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Okay, in the first one I write simple. Second one is continuous. Third one is perfect. And the last one is perfect continuous. How to remember these 4? For example, a student is very simple. First of all, a student is very simple, ordinary student, simple student. So continuously he came to college regularly, continuously. Just remember the technique. First he was simple. Continuously he comes to college. Then he becomes perfect. After coming to college continuously he becomes perfect. Now add these two. He is called perfect continuous. Perfect first, not continuous perfect. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous. Now select the first one. Present tense. Select the first one, present tense. Okay, so how to derive the 4 forms of present tense? Look at the board, all of you. So first one, from here you have to start from here like this. You have to start from here. Now I write 4 forms of present tense here. 4 forms of present tense here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 forms of present tense. First, from here to here, you just draw an arrow mark. Bottom, start from the bottom here. Simple, add these 2 terms. So by adding together, what we get? This is simple, this is present tense. So simple present tense. So what is the first one? Simple present tense. Simple present tense. This is the first one, simple present tense, right? Now, second time onwards, what we have to do is come from the top. Now, like this. Only first time from bottom to top. Second time onwards, top to bottom. So from here to here. Okay, present continuous tense. You write the word tense last. Okay, present continuous tense. So the second one is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, again, so same. Third one, from here to here. Here to here. Present perfect tense. Present, what is there? Perfect. Present perfect tense. Okay, so simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present, last one is present perfect continuous tense. The fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, right. In this way, we have obtained the 4 forms of present tense. These are the 4 forms of present tense. 4 forms of present tense, right? So first you start from the bottom. Second time onwards, come from the top. Okay, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Same formula you just apply to past tense also. Now you select the second one, past tense. Now you select the second one, past tense. So past tense, 4 forms of past tense. Similarly, you write, you try 4 forms of past tense. Numbers, you shall continue the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the first one? First form of past tense. Now from here to here, simple past tense. The first one is simple past tense. Second time onwards, come from the top. Past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. Third one, past perfect tense. Okay. Fourth one, past perfect continuous tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now present tense is over, past tense is over, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now similarly, future tense, same method. Apply the same method to future tense also. Future tense, 4 forms of future tense. Okay. So 9 numbers, you continue the series here. 9, 10, 11, 12. So what is the first form of future tense? You just try. You also try. What is the first form here? You just select future tense. First time, come from the bottom here, down from here to here. Simple future tense. Simple future tense. Second time onwards, come from the top. Future continuous tense. Okay. Third one, future perfect tense. Okay. Fourth one, future perfect continuous tense. Simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. Okay, like this we can derive all the 12 forms with the help of this diagram. With the help of this diagram, easily we can derive the 12 tense forms. So tenses are 3, tense forms are 12. Okay. So out of these 12 forms, when it comes to present tense, all the 4 are very important. All the 4 are very important. All the 4 are very important. Now past tense, these 3 are very important. First 3 are very important. So in past tense, how many are important? 3. In future tense, only first 2 are important. 9, 10. First 2 are important. Okay. So how many are there? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9 out of 12. How many are there? Out of 12, 9. Present tense, all the 4 are important. Past tense, first 3. Future tense, first 2. 4 plus 3 plus 2. So out of 12, 9 forms are very, very important. If you learn these 9, that will be enough in the exam point of view as well as spoken point of view also. In our daily conversation also, these 9 will help you. Remaining, so 3 are left here. Those 3 are not much used. Okay, first you learn, first you concentrate. In the first phase, you concentrate on these 9 only. Okay, students, I hope that you have understood the topic, you have enjoyed the video. Okay, keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. My sincere request to all of you, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification. We meet again very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Jai Hind. And please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest updates. See you very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.